Recording.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory. Remember we used to go at the end, so yeah. Okay, alright guys, today we're gonna be doing adding so much ingredients into butter slime. So let's just get on into the video. What yo? Alright guys, so first we have to make our butter slime, and so the first thing to do that, we have to get some base slime. So here's my base slime. Very nice. Alright, so let's get some base slime. I think this should be good. Look how nice and glossy. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our clays. All right, so we got our first piece of clay, and our second piece of clay. All right, let's mix it. Sorry guys, excuse my counter, it's a bit sticky for some reason. Lotion. All right, so I think I'm gonna make this slime pink. And then I'm gonna add some sprinkles. This looks pretty. Look at how cute it is. This looks amazing. The lotion. Okay, so we're gonna add our bunch of lotion. Too much lotion. That's a lot, kind of. I'm gonna add even more. That's a lot of lotion, guys. Okay, let's fix this. What do you guys think is gonna happen? Obviously, it's gonna melt, but like, how is it gonna be after we activate it? That looks cool. I feel like it's gonna be like actually like a really nice butter slime. And I feel like it's gonna be super like soft and creamy. I don't know, but I am super pumped and excited, guys. I don't know what happened, honestly. Okay, well this completely melted. This reminds me of the water slime. This is a white version of the water slime. Okay, so this is very like creamy and like really clay. So now we're gonna go ahead and activate it. I am very, very excited. I want to see how this is going to turn out because I made some butter slimes that have like a lot of lotion in them, but like that was a while ago, so I wonder how this one's going to turn out.
Activate!
Yay! This is taking a lot of activator, guys. I hope it activates. I think it will. It seems like it will. Okay, so I added all the activator. Here it is. It's finally coming together. It turned kind of into like a jiggly butter slime. It's so weird. But I think we need a little bit more activator though, but it's super soft.
Activator!
Oh, that is
that's a lot of activator.
Oh my gosh,
I'm so
Bob.
sorry. Oh, jeez.
You need some activating classes. You do this every time. Okay, this is taking forever. This reminds me of that little pink squid thingy from Nemo. It really reminds me of that one. Like the color and it's jiggly and yeah, just give me that vibe. Okay, I feel like I'm finally done, guys. Here is the final product. Although I think I might need to like kind of scrape the slime off the table because it's kind of stuck there. Alright guys, so I cleaned up the table and here is the final product. It's a super jiggly, creamy slime. It's not really buttery anymore, like clay. So yeah, it's not what I expected at all. This is a lot more jiggly. So yeah. Very, very interesting. Do is instant snow. So I don't really add instant snow to butter slime in general, but I decided I'm gonna do it this time just because. I did do it one time on my weird slime combinations And it wasn't too bad, so I'm gonna be doing it this time. Because for me, instant snow and butter slime is a weird combination. Alrighty, we're gonna make that blue, and then we're gonna put some gold sparkles. This is gonna be called mermaid butter. Or something like that. Ooh, look at how pretty it is. You know what, I might want to change it to unicorn butter. Alright guys, now to add the instant snow, we're going to put this to the side and get our little bucket here. First, I'm going to put some yellow food coloring in here. Oh wow, that did not do what I expected it to do. Maybe if I use my other food coloring? That's what I wanted to do, but I guess I wouldn't do that. Okay, and now we're going to add our instant snow. Actually, I'm going to add some glitter first. And let's add our snow. Oh, wow. I've never really done that. It looks so cool. It looks amazing. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add it into our butter slime. All right, we're gonna make a ball with that. Then we're gonna make a bowl. Okay, never mind then. All right, there, we're gonna make a bowl. There's our bowl, and then we're gonna fill it up with instant snow. Yeah, let's add the whole thing. All right, let's add that in. This is actually not turning out too bad. I wonder what it's gonna turn out to. I'm excited for this one. Even more excited than the first time. Okay, this is interesting. Uh-oh. All right, well, here's what that turned out to. I think we need to activate it again because it kind of just turned into like broccoli. All right, we're gonna put some activator. Paul.
Activate.
Calm down, calm down, calm down. That's
There,
good, thanks.
that's good.
Thanks, Paul.
All right.
All right, well, here is the slime. It's not very good. I think I need to clean my counter though, but here is the slime. It's a very interesting. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like, it's stretching like it's gonna be a cloud slime, but then it just rips very easily. And it kind of reminds me of like a store-bought slime where like, it seems like it's stretchy, but it just kind of rips. It's a weird stretchy. All right guys, here it is. Cleaned everything up, and here's the slime. This is such a weird slime, guys. It's not that bad, but like, I don't really like it. It's like so weird, and it kind of reminds me of a cloud cream, just like a cream, so yeah. But I guess it is kind of a nice slime, actually. Never mind, I think I have mixed feelings about this slime, guys. Reminds me a lot of guacamole, though. Alright guys, next we're gonna do is shaving cream. Okay, so we're gonna make this one purple. Boop, boop, boop. And we're gonna put some of this pink glitter. Oh no. Oh no, why did I do that? Oh, it looks pretty anyways. Now let's mix. I wonder what color this is gonna turn out to. By the way, guys, I left this part a little bit unactivated because the shaving cream does kind of like make it really hard, so I wanted to give it a chance. Ooh, that looks so cool. I'm gonna put some more purple, maybe make a new smiley face. Ta-da!
That's gotta be your best one yet.
I know. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and add our shaving cream. We're gonna add too much.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, is this enough? I feel like this is enough. Let's do this. Okay. I am excited. I'm like excited for every single one of them. Okay, I wonder what's gonna happen to this one. Is it gonna turn out good? Because sometimes if we add too much shaving cream to butter slime, it just becomes like a really bad rippy mess. So it kind of seems like that's where this is going. But we have some lotion, so we can just kind of fix it if, you know, if we need to. Oh my gosh, it is so rippy so far. Alright guys, Alright, so here it is. It basically turned into a fluffy slime. I can't even tell that it is a butter slime anymore. You can't feel it at all. Honestly, it just feels like a giant fluffy slime. But I have a feeling that if we continue to like crunch it, because when you crunch it, it kind of just like disappears. See? So I feel like if we keep on crunching it, maybe it'll deflate. It seems like it's deflating. What do you think, Paul?
Let me take a closer look. I don't know.
It is, look, it's deflating.
Does deflating mean getting bigger?
What? No. That means getting smaller.
Oh, it's definitely getting smaller.
What the heck, Paul? Alright guys, so I guess this is what happened to the slime. I like it. This basically just feels like a regular butter slime. No, fluffy slime, I mean. But with like, kind of like a clay touch to it. And like, it's a bit like matte kind of texture. And it's kind of soft too. Maybe if we add some lotion, it'll turn into a nice, cool, weird, fluffy butter slime. I feel like I normally add too much ingredients in general. Alright guys, so I've added the lotion and it feels a lot better now, but it's still kind of just like a fluffy slime. But I cannot wait till this deflates because I feel like I have a hunch that it will turn into a very, very beautiful butter slime. Alright guys, can you guess what time it is? It is slime like butter challenge. Bet you guys didn't see that coming. Did you? Did you?
I didn't.
Yeah, Paul didn't. Did you guys? Anyway, so for this slime butter challenge, guys, you're gonna press the light button with your nose and then you can say slime is as awesome as pie or something else that rhymes with it. And then you guys comment down below what you said and the reactions you got. And yeah, because I wanna see those. And now it is time for slime smoothie time. All right, guys, we have our purple berry fluffy slime. Very fluffy. You get it? All right, okay, I guess we'll just put our strawberry cream slime. And then our, oh wow, this actually became a lot better. Like it inflated or something and it actually turned kind of sizzly and I really like it. All right, let's mix it. Ooh, it looks like a watermelon. It looks cool. I wonder what it's gonna turn into. All right, well here's what it turned into. It's like a fluffy cloud cream now and I'm liking it. Alright guys, so that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment below because I want part 2 and that is it. I really hope I see you next time. Bye!